Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So let's get started. For today's video, my topic is human cell. What is human cell? When we look around in our environment or by our side, we wondered and asked ourselves, what is that makes the organism living? Or what is that an inanimate thing does not have which organism living? The answer is the presence of basic unit. The basic unit of life, which is human cell. Human cell is the basic unit of life. Human cell, it is a unicellular organism. It is unicellular organism, but it has capability of independent existence. And also it performs essential functions of our life. Hence, we can say cell is a structural, fundamental, functional unit of all living organisms. And this life cell is seen by Anton von Leeuwen. He has observed the life cell. Let's move to the cell theory. Now, we are dividing into one of the cornerstones of biology, which is cell theory. Cell theory. Cell theory is a scientific theory. ये एक साइंटिफिक थ्योरी है जो हमें सेल्स की प्रॉपर्टीज डिस्क्राइब करता है. As we have known, the cell is the basic unit of life. Same we can say the cell is basic building blocks of all living organisms. In 19th century, there were three principles which were consisting for cell theory. The principle one is all living things are made of cells. The first principle ये सेट करता है कि जितनी भी लिविंग थिंग्स जो है बनी है वो एक या एक से ज्यादा सेल से बनी है. Whether it is single celled bacteria or the human cell, which is multicellular. A bacterial cell or a human cell. These both living things are made of multiple cells, one or more cells. That's why we call as a cell is a fundamental unit of life. Let's move further for principle 2. Principle 2 states the cell is basic unit of life because it performs the structural functional unit of our life. Everything an organism does, from breathing to thinking, which starts with a cellular activity and which is done by our cell. That's why we can say the cell is the basic unit of life. Without cell, a person can't breathe, we can say. From animal to human body, we can say the cell is basic unit of life because it starts with cellular activity. Principle 3. Principle 3 states that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. Pre-existing cells means whatever the new cells are forming, it is coming from the pre-existing one. This is also a groundbreaking discovery which is demonstrated when life does not spontaneously arise but continuously comes with division. Means the pre-existing cell goes into a division and forms two cells. Then again, like this, the cells come from pre-existing cells. So by this cell theory was formulated by scientists Matthew Shedden and Schwann and Virchow. By 1838, Shedden and Schwann by 1838, Shedden and Schwann, they both discovered first two principles, and then later by 1855, Virchow added the third principle, which is all cells come from other cells, from pre-existing cells. So this cell theory, we can say it is the foundation of many biological science, which lead to advances in like medical research, biotechnology, and our understanding of life itself. If we conclude the cell theory, which underscores the unity and diversity of life, illustrating all living beings from the tiniest bacteria to the largest whale, छोटे से छोटा बैक्टीरिया से लेके बड़े से बड़ा whale तक, which is some common thing which is cellular heritage. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this explanation of human cell and cell theory, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fascinating science content.